In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a square picture into a circle in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy design tips. Start by opening your Canva account and your design, or create a new one. Head over to the Elements tab and scroll to Frames. Find a circle frame and click to add it to your canvas. Adjust the frame size by dragging the corners until it fits your layout. Then upload your image or select one you've already uploaded. Drag your image into the circle frame. Canva will automatically crop it into a perfect circle. You can double click the image to reposition or zoom in/out so it looks just right inside the frame. And that's it. Your square picture is now a polished circle, ready for social media, presentations, or any design project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips.